Okay naman. Ano namumulog ba kasi nga? Okay naman sila. I'm glad that you're okay, candidate number one. So are you now ready to pick a number? Yes, you are. So what are you waiting for? Pili na. Candidate number one picked question number five. Okay, again, I will read your question twice. As a student of UNHS, how can you influence the upcoming high school students that this school is the best option out of all their choices? Again, as a student of UNHS, how can you influence the upcoming high school students that this school is the best option out of all their choices?
Thank you, sir. I can influence them by leading an example of the values and opportunities that UNHS provides. Through my achievements both in academic and extracurricular activities, I can show them that this school truly molds, not just only to be intelligent, but also to be responsible and disciplined. That's all. Thank you.
Oh, thank you so much! Candidate number one, you knew it. Okay naman, okay na kung siya kung pag-take ang iyang tuwa.
Grabe sir, yan siya iyahang use iyahang extracurricular para mamdani sa laing mga upcoming high school students na dapat mo enroll daw sila sa Union High School kay dili nila kuno kay talent rally mo but although the IQ orientation also.
Well said, Monologues. So now let's proceed to candidate number two. Monologues, please give me honor.
Hi ma'am, good evening. How are you feeling tonight? A little bit nervous. A little bit nervous daw sir. So, kisa may kuyog ni mo ron ma'am?
My family, friends, and also my supportive teacher.
Wow.
So naaalala na yung mga family and friends and yung mga supportive teachers na nalapod at palikod na dyan para masuportan ninyo, sir. So are you ready?
Yes.
So you may now pick your question. Again, everyone, we would like to request to please stay quiet para mas makadawog ang ato ang mga judges sa ilahan tubag. Thank you. Candidate number two, pick question number one. What is one challenge that students on this campus are currently facing? And as a student yourself and the future Miss UNHS, how would you help find a solution? Again, what is one challenge that students on this campus are currently facing? And as a student yourself and the future Miss UNHS, how would you find a solution?
Thank you for that question. One challenge we all face is balancing academics and schoolworks with extracurricular activities. I've experienced days when schoolworks pile up while practices or events also need attention. If given the chance as a Miss UNHS, I'd help organize time management, workshops, and create peer support groups where students share their tips and encourage one another. Instead of competing, we can build a community that lifts each other up so we succeed not just in only academics, but also in personal growth. Thank you.
Wow, very well said. Thank you so much, Miss Candidate number two. So let's proceed.
To candidate number three. Hi, good evening. Want to say hi to your support system? Who's shy?
Mawawa na dito mga candidates, sir.
Speeches siya tungkol ka aktibo sa iyong supporters. Am I right? Hinay ba ko? Yes, sir. Baka sir siya pinod. Are you ready to answer your question? But before that, you need to pick first a question. You picked question number 4. The question goes like this. If you have the chance to change one experience as a student here in UNHS, what will it be? And what is the message you mean to give? Again, if you have the chance to change one experience as a student here in UNHS, what will it be? And what is the message you mean to give?
If I can change one experience, it would be those moments when I let fear stop me from joining opportunities. My message is never let fear silence your potential, because every opportunity you take is a step closer to becoming the best version of yourself. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Never let fears silence your potential. That's candidate number 3.
Now let's proceed to candidate number 4. Hello, good evening, candidate number 4. So how are you feeling today? Excited? Nervous? Kinda nervous. So chill up because you have this, you got this. So you may now pick the So candidate number 4, pick question number 3. The question is, if you could be remembered for one act by your teachers and fellow students, what act would that be? Again, if you could be remembered for one act by your teachers and fellow students, what act would that be?
Thank you for the question, ma'am. If I could be remembered for one act, it would be act of leading. As a youth leader and class mayor, I always aim to inspire my fellow classmates to prioritize learning. Leadership for me is not just about authority. It's about service listening to others, guiding them, and lifting them when they need support. If my teachers and fellow students would remember me for leading with heart, I know I had left a meaningful legacy. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Let's proceed to candidate number 5. Hi, how are you?
Hello, sir.
Okay, I'm glad that you're fine. Are you ready to answer your question? Yes, you are. So pick your question. You pick question number 6. And it goes like this. As a student, how did you overcome fear and hesitations in both academic and extracurricular activities? And what is the main point of being good at both aspects? Again, as a student, how did you overcome fear and hesitations in both academic and extracurricular activities? And what is the main point of being good at both aspects?
Well, to overcome fear and hesitations in both academic and extracurricular activities, I prioritize self-reflection, goal setting, and seek support from peers and mentors. The main point of being good at both aspects is that it fosters well-rounded individuals who can excel in various areas, develop valuable skills, and make a meaningful contributions to the communities. Thank you.
Wow, thank you so much. There you have it, a versatile candidate number 5, Ms. Liana Bellagonza.
Now let's proceed to candidate number 6. So good evening, ma'am. So who is here with you today? Basta ganahan ka mo shout out sa imong mga supporters, your families. Dili karon. Shout
sa akong mga supporters dira. Thank you so much for supporting me.
And yeah, she's grateful sa iyang mga supporters. So are you ready?
Yes.
So you can now pick your question. So candidate number 6, pick question number 2, and it goes like this. Describe a time you've had to overcome a personal academic challenge. How did you do it, and what advice would you give your co-students facing a similar situation? Again, describe a time you've had to overcome a personal academic challenge. How did you do it, and what advice would you give to your co-student facing a similar situation?
Thank you for that question, Mom. There was a time I struggled with subject that seems impossible to understand. Instead of giving up, I learned to ask for help, practice discipline, and believe in myself. Through hard work and patience, I eventually improved. My advice to fellow students is this: challenges is not signs to quit, but opportunities to grow. Do not be afraid to ask for guidance, because success built not on perfection, but on perseverance. Thank you.
Very well said to our Miss Candidate number 6. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. You have heard the different candidates answer the